Section 4.2, Proving Triangles Congruent. In this particular section, we have many ways in order to prove that triangles are congruent. The first way is called the side-side-side postulate, abbreviated SSS. If three sides of one triangle are congruent to three sides of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. Take a look at this particular triangle because there's some things that you need to know before we can move on to the next postulate. Notice that side AB is formed by angle BCA. It's opposite angle C, and angle A is opposite of line BC. B is called an included angle. That angle is in between AB and CB. AC is the included side between angle A and angle C. So once again, you need to know about opposite sides that are opposite angles. You need to know about angles that are opposite the sides, which angles are included between two sides, and which sides are included between two angles. The second postulate is called the side-angle-side postulate. If two sides and the included angle, are congruent to two sides and the included angle of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. The next postulate is called the angle-side-angle postulate. If two angles and the included side of one triangle are congruent to two angles and the included side of a second triangle, then the triangles are congruent. In addition to your note sheet, please look at these four problems and tell me whether or not you can identify whether the triangles are congruent. Write down which triangles you're talking about. Make sure that you're remembering corresponding sides and corresponding angles. And then tell me, using one of the three postulates, whether or not those triangles are indeed congruent.